As I told you yesterday that some topic we have already discussed. Another important topic is the professional misconduct or infamous conduct. Now, this conduct is of a doctor which is regarded as a disgraceful and dishonorable and is judged by a person of a competency. Means some senior doctor can say that he is not doing properly his duty and it is a misconduct. Now, what are the misconduct? There are 6 A's of misconduct. First is the adultery. Adultery means arising or just having sexual advances toward the person or the patient or its relative. Second is the wrong advertisement. Third is the abortion unlawful. And next is the association with unqualified person. And main important is the addiction and alcohol. Now suppose a doctor is there and he goes into the world to take the round and he is alcoholic or he has taken alcohol and he is taking round. It is not correct. It comes under the misconduct. Now if a person, senior person sees that doctor, he reports to medical council. Now what happens in medical council? There is a register in which every doctor name is there. When he qualifies his degree, their name is there and he can practice. But suppose he does all misconduct, then his name is temporarily removed from the register. Now what happens? The medical council give warning for 6 months to that person that he should improve this. If he doesn't improve, then what happens? The permanent erasure of his name from the medical register is done. This is called the penal erasure or professional death sentence. Means he cannot do his practice because of the professional misconduct.